What is good, everyone? In this video, I'm going to be drawing a character wearing the Yeezy Gap jacket. Now with this character, I wanted to give it a video game aesthetic, more of an anime theme. So let's see how it turns out. Now I'm starting off with a rough sketch, figuring out my proportions and the pose of the character. Once I'm happy with my sketch, I can start to clean up my line, making revisions as I draw. Then I'm going to add some color, some shading. Now let's jump right into the video. At this point, I could start to block in some color, but I decided to add some accessories. Now that I have colors blocked in, I can start to add some shadows, some highlights, and refining my drawing as I go. So I made a conscious decision to add more props to my drawings, and now I'm adding a car for the background. I decided to draw a Nissan 240 to be part of my composition. Aesthetically, I wanted to change and go in a different direction. Let me know what you think. There you have it, new character, few weapons, and a car in the background. If you would like to see more videos, subscribe, hit that notification, like the video, and I will see you next time.